Nature Conservancy purchased the Independence Creek Preserve in 2000. The preserve is currently 19,740 acres. We're located in the eastern part of the Trans-Pecos region, which falls into the Chihuahuan Desert ecosystem. Adjacent to this preserve, we have a 702-acre conservation easement, and farther downstream on the Pecos River, we have a 10,955-acre conservation easement. We have a diverse array of habitats, ranging from plateau live oaks, as you see behind us, which are common throughout the hill country or Edwards Plateau region. This is about their western extent. We have a very diverse riparian corridor, which is fed by Independence Creek. We have very dry upland sites typical of the Chihuahuan Desert. So we're here at T5, or Caroline Springs. This spring flows about 5,000 gallons of water per minute. It's one of the largest private springs left in West Texas. The value of this spring is difficult to capture in words. The water that this spring provides to Independence Creek in the lower Pecos supports a variety of rare fish, including the Rio Grande darter, the Proserpine shiner, and the headwaters catfish. As well, it creates a diverse riparian corridor, which is used by many neotropical birds, including the federally endangered black-cap vireo. We also have in these waters the Rio Grande cichlid. The Rio Grande cichlid is the only native cichlid to North America, and they're known as mouth breeders. The live young live in the mother's mouth for a period of time for protection from other species. We have largemouth bass, green sunfish, Mexican tetra, a variety of shiner species, as well as the Rio Grande leopard frog. So this truly is an oasis in the middle of the desert. This water resource, the best way to experience it is put on a mask and a snorkel. The striking thing that you'll see is the vibrant colors by some of our vegetation. The red plant that you see near the spring head is called Liguigia. It's one of our native aquatic plants. The water quality here is outstanding. It's better or as good as what you find in bottled water these days. This spring water flows to the Pecos River through Independence Creek, and it roughly contributes about 42% to the flow of the Pecos River, and it cuts total suspended solids in half. Notable mammals here at Independence Creek include the white-tailed deer, mule deer, bobcat, the occasional mountain lion, a wide variety of reptiles and amphibians. So here we're at the outflow of T5, or Caroline Springs, that we saw upstream. Between the spring head and this outflow, we have a beaver marsh that the beavers began creating in around 2004, 2005. They have backed up a significant amount of water, which serves as excellent habitat for a variety of shorebirds, our visiting waterfowl, and other neotropical migrant species. So we're here on top of the mesa. We're about 500 foot higher than we were down at the spring level. One problem that we have is an increasing number of red-berried juniper, which is a brush species that you see here. Historically, this area was almost an open grassland on top of the mesa. Through altered fire regime and the lack of wildland fire in this area, the juniper have been allowed to increase and encroach into the open grasslands. The open grasslands support a declining grassland bird guild. The grassland bird guild is declining throughout its range, and these efforts to reduce this unnatural abundance of juniper will benefit those grassland bird species. So behind us you see the bobcat with a hydraulic tree shear that we use as one of our tools in our toolbox to reduce the abnormal amount of juniper that we find here. The other tool that we use is prescribed fire to reduce brush densities.